Before you add a TrickleStar Water Heater Controller, please ensure that the water heater controller has been properly installed and powered up. Launch the TrickleStar app on your mobile device. To add a new TrickleStar Water Heater Controller to your account, tap on the menu button and select Add New. Select Wi-Fi Electric Water Heater Controller. You must create a new site if this is the first TrickleStar connected device that you are adding to this account. If you have an existing TrickleStar connected device, you may create a new site or select an existing site depending on where the device is installed. Tap Next. Enter a name to identify this water heater controller. If you wish to control this device with voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Home, choose a name that is short and easy to pronounce. Tap Next. On the water heater controller, you will see the connectivity LED blinking in green. If not, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds until you see a blue blink on the LED. Release the power button. Tap the button for connectivity LED blinking. Enter the DSN of the water heater controller to proceed. You may obtain the DSN of your water heater controller at the back of the unit or at the side of the packaging box. Tap Next. Connect your mobile device to the water heater controller's access point. The water heater controller is identified by its 12-digit MAC address. You may obtain the MAC address on the same sticker as the DSN. Tap on the back button to return to the TrickleStar app. Tap Next. Tap on the Tap Here button to display the available Wi-Fi networks. Connect to the Wi-Fi network of your choice, enter your password, and tap Connect. Wait while the water heater controller is being connected to your Wi-Fi network. Connection is successful when the connection complete message is displayed. Now reconnect your mobile device back to the same Wi-Fi network as the water heater controller. After reconnection, tap Done to register your water heater controller. Your water heater controller is now connected to the internet. Tap OK to return to the device page. You have now successfully set up your TrickleStar Wi-Fi electric water heater controller.